Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're having this type of problem on your iPhone device, iMessage is signed out, then here in this video, I will tell you the possible solution through which you can easily fix this problem if you're having this type of issue on your iPhone or iPad device. So now let's get started. First of all, here we have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we have to open setting on your iPhone device, then tap on your Apple ID profile. Then here you will need to tap on sign in and security here. So after that, here wait a while, it's processing. Then here make sure that you have verified your mobile phone number and your Apple ID. So here you can see that I'm still not entered my mobile phone number. Then here you will have to enter your mobile phone number by tapping on this and tap on here add a phone number. Then here you will have to enter your mobile phone number, then verify it. Then after that, it will be added to your Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, go back and here you will have to again open setting. Then here you will have to scroll down and here we have tap on apps. Then here you will have to search for iMessage. So here we have to search for iMessage. So here messages, you will need to tap on this. Then after that, here you will need to disable this toggle from here and again enable this from here. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again tap on send and receive, and here you will have to verify your mobile phone number, and here after that check here your mobile phone number. If you're still not able to send iMessage on your iPhone device, then here you will have to tap on use your Apple ID account for your iMessage on your iPhone device. Then here you will have to enter your Gmail account of your Apple ID. Then here tap enter your password of your Apple ID. Then after that, try to send iMessage, try to activate iMessage on your iPhone device with your Apple ID. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here again open setting on your iPhone device, and here make sure that you are using strong internet connection. Here you will need to disconnect with your Wi-Fi and reconnect it again, and after that check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Again open setting, then tap on general. Then here again scroll it up, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then again open setting, then tap on general, then here tap on software update, and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 18. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will be able to send iMessage on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Thanks for watching this video.